Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and today we are going to be Mariah Elizabeth wannabes. And so basically we're doing squishy makeovers. We have some very ugly ones with stuff like this. You probably can't see that, but like ripped.
Yeah.
And hopefully making look better. This might not turn out how you want, but it'll still hopefully go good. So before we get started, don't forget, press that subscribe button. What I'm trying to say is most of you that watch our videos aren't subscribed. So subscribe right now and like and turn on notifications. So let's get started.
Okay, so I'm just going to start by chopping its head off. This is difficult. Okay, and then we can trim that off somehow. Okay, then we can somehow, we have to make this super duper small. So then it fits in here. I want it to just okay. Perfect. And then it looks like it's on here. Okay, so now I am going to paint it purple. And it's not painting. Paint. Okay, I am clearly struggling here. Oh, why is this so frustrating? This is like the worst paint on the planet.
Okay.
That worked. Now I am going to paint this tail orange.
It's gonna look like this thing.
No, it's not. That thing is scary. Why would I ever want my things to look like that? Okay, I am going to have to deal with getting paint on my hands. Okay, so I am going to paint the head too, and yeah. After the very troubling process of getting this beautiful black head on this very unique donut. And yes, the head is covered in black because I'm gonna paint it with orange and then I'm gonna do the face. So don't go, oh my gosh, how are you gonna do the face? Yeah! Because I'm going to find a solution. So, okay, so I just figured out that I'm gonna have to have like 8 trillion layers in order for this to be orange. I did not think this through. Maybe I should paint it green.
It's beautiful just the way it is.
Yeah, okay.
Okay guys, so Elizabeth left and I just painted the bottom of this blue because there was a freaking crack in it which I just ruined. So I'm just gonna take the puffy paint which I cut in half and just keep painting this. I think I'm gonna go for just like a regular birthday cake. Like look, just because it's already a birthday cake, so I want to kind of keep it simple. And yeah, trying to kind of keep it simple, you know, just a regular birthday cake. And then there's a crack on top, which I also covered up with some puppy paint. So I think I'm gonna cut off all of these little like things. So I'll just, oh my goodness. I'll just cut off like a couple of them, and then I'll get back to you when I finish them. I finished cutting off all the ugliness, except for that one little part, but I couldn't get that off. I can still like try, but that's just how we're gonna roll with it. So just cut it in half, because there's still so much extra paint that needs to be scooped out of here.
Okay. So guess what I am going to do? I
I
am going to paint this thing orange, and once it is done being
I'm gonna
orange,
try to make
I'm gonna make
purple.
2 fish stacked on top of each other.
Is it gonna be like a fish egg?
What? Why?
No, are you gonna make like a fish egg?
No, I'm gonna just make 2 fishies.
I mean, like, it looks kind of cool. You can't see that, but kind of down at the corner right there. It looks cool.
No, I'm just
It's
gonna
just
like.
turning like very dark. This is just gonna look like a moldy cake, and that's okay. Okay, so I guess I'm fine with maroon.
I need a bunch of paint on this to make it like a good orange color.
Oh, it looks like a chocolate brown. Doesn't this look like chocolate brown?
Yeah.
So this is gonna be chocolate brown now. and
This
I'm
is
gonna paint the
finally
back
becoming
of
like
it
an orangey color.
brown. And then I'm gonna try to do like drips down the side. So I think I'm just gonna cut off all of this excess like side stuff. Like painting the back of this brown. The brown
So
color.
this is orange now, and now I have to add the face.
So just scoop
I'm gonna
all
go
of
get
this
some
out of
glue.
here. Scoop all of that out of there, and then mix it together, and it should make brown. Guys, purple and blue, or blue and red now makes brown, not purple. It's turning like more blue than like the color I wanted, so it could be like an ombre-ish from like red or like chocolate to blue. Either way, the back is gonna end up being brown. Paint the sides real fast. So this is what it looks like. So far I painted the whole back of it black and then the top a little brown, and so now I'm gonna cut off like this yellow and then come back. Okay, so this is how I've come so far on this side.
I'm finished!
Haven't really started this side. Put some glitter glue
This is
on
my
the bottom.
finishing child.
It's not even a squishy anymore. It's just a rock. Okay, well anyways, I need something to do with the top.
So this is the squishy part.
I try to make it look like have a bite cut out of it, so I cut off the front part. And I'm probably gonna use some glue and add glitter. A brown now. You didn't make it like that at all. Totally. I'm using the brown now, and I'm just gonna paint the top, or at least try.
Okay,
This is
so
a very
now
small
I am
brush.
going to do
Switching
the
brushes.
face for this.
So, just paint. Okay, so just keep painting. Dip
Time
it
to put the
in
donut
this.
on his head.
Blend it somehow. Yeah, this is not gonna blend. This actually looks like a piece of bread. The top is almost finished. Just do some other cuts. And it's very difficult to cut off like all the excess like stuff.
And here's the other squishy. This one is
So
very
I'm just gonna
squishy.
paint knots. Okay. Just get a ton of brown paints. Paint the bottom. I'll just get back to you when I finish this thing. When I finish, I'll get back to you guys. So I did finish my squishy. It's just very wet. And I'm probably gonna add like glitter or something, but I'll show you it. There it is. It looks like a turd, but I'm gonna add like a finishing touch or something and then show you. So yeah. So yes, I am picking up now, but I added glitter, a lot of it, and now it's like all around the sides, because it went everywhere, and there's glitter on me and on the table, and yeah, so that concludes the video, guys, and I hope you enjoyed it, and remember, don't forget to smash that like button and the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you can become part of the Tea Party and our family. And remember, don't forget that majority of people that watch our videos are not subscribed. So we'll see you guys next week for a very exciting video. Bye!
But I wasn't wrong up in my But I wasn't wrong up in my
Way more.
No! It's ruined. Is it ruined? Okay.
Anna needs to learn to try, or else she's gonna fail everything. Am I right, Anna?
Mm-hmm.